Hey everyone, looking to buy Tether on Binance? Today I'm going to show you how to buy Tether in Binance. Here's a quick and simple guide. First of all, open your Binance app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap Buy Crypto. On the home screen, tap Buy Crypto to start your purchase. Select your preferred payment method like credit or debit card, bank transfer, or P2P trading. Now, search for USDT. Enter the amount you want to buy, then tap Buy USDT. Check the details, confirm your payment, and complete the transaction. Now, go to Wallets, then select Spot to see your newly purchased USDT. And that's it. You have successfully bought USDT on Binance. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial videos, and thanks for watching.